In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in Figma. If you've ever deleted a file in Figma and felt that instant panic, don't worry. Figma makes it straightforward to bring it back. To show you exactly how it works, we'll first delete a file on purpose, then restore it from the trash so you can see the full recovery flow from start to finish. Start by opening Figma and heading to your drafts. You'll find drafts in the left sidebar on the Figma homepage. This is your personal workspace where files you create or move out of teams usually live. Once you're in drafts, locate the file you plan to use for this demo. Click it once to select it so you're sure you're working with the right one. Now, right-click the selected file and choose Move to Trash. This action removes the file from drafts but doesn't erase it forever. It simply relocates it to Figma's trash area, which is designed as a safety net for exactly this situation. Next, go to your trash folder. You can get there from the same left sidebar. Inside trash, you'll see any files you've recently removed. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar or scan the thumbnails and file names to find the one you just moved. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct file. You can preview the thumbnail and check the name to be sure. With the file selected in trash, right-click and choose Restore. This sends the file back to where it came from. If it originated in drafts, it returns to drafts. If it came from a project or a team space, it goes back there. Head back to your drafts to verify the recovery. You should now see the restored file in the same place it was before you moved it to trash. Open it to confirm everything is intact. Your content, layers, and version history should still be there, just as they were prior to deletion. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't immediately see the restored file, refresh your browser or Figma desktop app and check that you're in the right workspace or team. Files in trash are kept only for a limited time, typically around 30 days, before they're permanently deleted, so it's best to restore them as soon as you realize they're missing. Also, if the file belongs to a team and you don't have permission to restore it, a team admin or the file owner may need to restore it for you, and that's it. You've just seen how to safely delete a file and bring it back in Figma using the trash and restore flow.